Alright, we're up here at my buddy's place, Deanna Custom Collision, and we're going to do a little unboxing. We got the IROC Z hood, the ZR1 style hood. I've been waiting for this for about 6 weeks over here. So we're going to unbox it, going to put it on this guy over here. So yeah, let's check it out. Should we lay it down? You want to pick it up?
Yeah, let's flip it, so we'll lay it down.
Okay. So it looks like it's shipped nice and intact. Nothing's too beat up here. Should be good. All right. Look at that. Cool.
Boom. Definitely solid. That's a nice looking hood. Yeah, it seems solid. Yeah, definitely.
So we're set up for original hardware, hinges, regular hood latch.
Looks good.
Yeah. On the other side, but it's alright. Show cover.
Does it get covered?
Huh?
Does that get a cover in it? Or no?
I don't think so.
It doesn't look like it, yeah. Oh, that little piece, okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So man, I need the pins.
Yeah. So we could put them on, put it this on, see how solid it is.
It's definitely got like white, so
yeah, it's solid. Yeah, it's not gonna flex.
No, it's not moving at all.
It's a good thing. Sweet.
Alright, so we're lining up, doing a little bit of test fitting here. For the most part, it's lining up well. made it to the hinges. It works with the pistons and everything. We got a little bit of a rise right here. Not terrible. We're going to leave this on for the weekend, see if this thing settles a little bit before we take it back off and paint it. But overall, not too shabby here. Looks like it's definitely going to serve its purpose as far as extracting air and heat. This car sees a lot of track time, and I'm getting a lot of air packing underneath the hood, and the hood wobbling and creating lift at high speed, so hopefully that eliminates that situation. And it certainly looks like it will, because we got a lot of air moving through this thing. So overall, looks like a good quality part. Just have to address this little bit of lift here, which we're going to work on some more. But yeah, looks good.